Meaning of gruff.
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 Gruff. The word gruff is an adjective that is often used to describe a person or their voice. It typically means rough or harsh in tone, and can indicate a lack of warmth or friendliness. Someone who speaks in a gruff voice might sound grumpy or impatient, and may not be easy to approach or talk to. The term can also be used to describe an animal, particularly one that is large and aggressive. Overall, rough carries negative connotations and suggests a rough, unfriendly demeanor or atmosphere.